I love Grand Nationals, but next to the Grand National, the Monte Carlo SS is probably my second favorite. And I just talked to the owner, and he has this beauty for sale. He said he would take $25,000 for it. Man, if I had 25 grand, this would be sitting in my garage. It's a classic 80s car, and these things could fly. He said they only made 6,000 of this type of the Monte Carlo SS. What a great car. I mean, supercars are nice and all. I'd take this any day over any supercar. We have a 1997 Pontiac Trans Am. And the asking price is right under $30,000. We have a 1981 Chevy Camaro Z28. Love this body style. And asking price on this one is right under $28,000. So we have a 1974 Volkswagen Beetle. What do you think the price is on this one?
Price is right, damn, it's not for me. I'm gonna go 60.
60.
I don't know.
Let's find out. And this 1974 Volkswagen Beetle, $25,000.
I'm terrible at prices.
And I was kind of shocked by the asking price on this one, because they are only, in my opinion, asking right $21,495 for this 1979 Chevy Camaro. We have an 89 Chevy Camaro convertible, kind of a purplish interior, a little Miami Vice vibes, and they are asking right under $17,000 for this 89 Chevy Camaro. We have a 1965 Ford Mustang. Looks to be in pretty decent condition. It hasn't been totally redone, I don't think. The interior looks awesome. And the price, which I think is a really good price, is right under $26,000. Looks like it's for sale there. 73 Comet, $14,000. Seems like a pretty good deal. What do you think about the Comet?
That is a pretty good price on it. I like it.
What do you think of the color?
So I don't like yellow on a car, but I do love the old like gold color on the classic cars.
Yeah, it's kind of more of like a mustard-ish.
Yeah, I like that like goldy kind of color.
'39 Chryslers for sale, $21,000. It's in great condition. Great condition.
I've got a 68 Mercury Cougar.
You two have been popular at the swap meet today.
We are always popular everywhere we go.
Yes, you are. So they are asking $6,400 for this old Corvette. This 1996 Chevy Corvette. We're looking at a price of $27,000 collector's edition. So the 1977 Corvette, during this year, the 500,000 Corvette was produced. And can you guess how many horsepower this V8 engine can put out?
I'm still trying to wrap my head around 500,000th. No, I have no clue. What's a normal one?
Are you gonna give me a number?
I don't know what a number is. 600.
Not even close. 210. So here's a fun fact for the 1980 Corvette. It was the last year that for the Corvette not to have an onboard computer. So from 1981 till now, they all have computers.
I found that fascinating that they had them like that early in the 80s.
That is kind of fascinating, but it also makes these cars very collectible because they're the only ones or the last ones to not have computers.
So like no tech. I mean, I guess it's like cranking up your windows and stuff.
I guess. I think I might like this Ford Fairlane better than the one. I love Mustangs. And they're asking $27,500 for it. I love the interior on this one. That is a beautiful car.
The color is stunning.
Which one do you like better?
The blue one.
You like the Ford Fairlane better than the...
Yeah, I do.
I would agree. Yeah.
But yeah.
So they're selling this Corvette here. I think it's a 99 Corvette. And to me, like, $18,500 is a good price, especially for what a lot of these cars, just in general, are selling for. I mean, this looks in really nice condition for $18,500. All right, so this Studebaker 1962 Lark is for sale. How much do you think they're asking?
60?
You're going with 60, and they are asking $28,500.
What? We can buy that.
I like it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's super fun car there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that.
Let's do it. Let's go put in a bid.
So this Pontiac Firebird is about a year or two. I can't remember if it's a 76 or 77 for the Bandit. This one is a 78. They're asking $20,000. I would probably still buy it though.
Of course you would.
I mean, I can never afford the real Bandit car, but one that's a year off, absolutely. And then let's see, this is a 79 Pontiac Trans Am, and they are asking right under $28,000 for this one. What do you think of the red? I know you're not a fan of red ones or red cars in general, so.
I wouldn't spend that.
But that could come home.
Oh, it can.
Well, not now.
Okay.
If I ever have money someday, yeah.
Gotcha.
Last year.
Here we go. We got
They got that.
Ford Mustang Fox body, convertible, 5.0, and they are asking $25,000 for it. Seems to be about the going rate for ones in these conditions. So the 89 Camaro has started to become real popular with enthusiasts. I'm a big fan, and I've seen it firsthand on this channel. Some of my most popular videos are from this body style of the Camaro and the Pontiac Firebird for that matter. And this one is for sale for under $23,000. So as soon as we walk into Street Side Classics, we have this 84 Chevy Monte Carlo. What a great car. It's kind of got a navy, kind of grayish type color to it. And they are asking right under $23,000. That is awesome. This is the second Chevy Monte Carlo we've come across. One of my first kind of memories as a kid of just cars in general is of this Chevy Corvette, the Indy Pace Car, the official Pace Car. And I guess maybe it's because the unique paint scheme to it. And they're asking right under $24,000 for the '78 Chevy Corvette Pace Car. I love this. What a great, great car. They have got a bunch of Corvettes, what looks like Stingrays, at Streetside Classics here today. Let's take a look at this blue one. And they are asking right under $29,000. Got a '69 Corvette. Let's see how much they want for this convertible. How much do you think the convertible is?
Can't see it.
Tried looking.
85? I don't know.
Oh, my guess, I'm gonna say 35.
35. Okay.
You said 80.
85. You win.
And the price, oh, I was pretty close. 31,000, '73 Corvette convertible. For all the Fox body Mustang fans, we have a 1988 Ford Mustang GT. My favorite style of the Mustangs. A red burgundy cloth interior. And this one, the asking price, $23,995, which seems to kind of be the going rate for these cars.